So guys, currently I am trying to flash a fastboot ROM via the Mi Flash tool onto my Xiaomi phone. It's a Poco F5, but that does not matter. Any Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi phone will work. And let me show you, my phone is booted into the fastboot mode, as you could see. Likewise, if I open a command prompt inside the platform tool folder, which is a must, and now if I type in fastboot devices, you could see that I am getting a serial ID. This signifies that my PC is able to read the phone in fastboot mode. Likewise, if I open a device manager and expand the Android phone section, so my phone is being shown there as well. So my PC is able to read the phone in fastboot mode. And even the Mi Flash tool, if I click on refresh, you could see that the device ID is being shown here. So my phone is in fact being able to be read by the Mi Flash tool as well. But when I hit the flash button, let me show you, I am getting an error message, and the error message is this one, the flash CRC list, and the result is error. The error message does not signify or explain anything as such. The flash CRC list, what does that mean or anything as such, it does not explain. So what is the reason behind this issue? But it's quite a small issue, and the reason is behind the naming convention of the ROM. So let me show you. The issue is with the name of the ROM file. There is a space in the name of the ROM file, and that is why you are facing this issue. For example, the ROM which I am trying to flash is this one, and right at the end you could see there is a space, and after that we have a 1 in the bracket. So you have to just remove the space from all these. Anywhere if you see a space, simply remove the space from there and your task stands complete. So let me rename the ROM files, and I could either remove the 1 at the end or simply add a 1 after an underscore. You could carry out any of these tasks, any of these will do. Just make sure there is no space whatsoever in the naming scheme of the ROM. Once that is done, you could now easily flash the ROM. Likewise, go inside the extracted ROM folder and make sure that there is no space within this ROM name as well. So over here also there is no space as well, and now you will be able to flash the ROM file without any issue as such. So let's now try out the result, and let me verify it once again. So there is no spacing over here. Likewise, there is no spacing over here as well, and now we could flash the ROM file. So what you have to do is click on refresh, then let me click on select, and once again choose the ROM zip file. So go to the downloads folder, and this is the folder, and go inside the folder where you have the images folder, which is this one. Then click on OK, and once that is done, you may now choose the either of the 3 option. In my case, I'm using the clean all option. Using this will not lock the bootloader. My phone will remain unlocked, but all the data will be wiped off. That's quite obvious. So I'm choosing clean all, and finally I'll click on the flash button, and this time around I should not face any issue whatsoever. And as you could see, the flashing has now started, and the flashing will now take around 7 to 8 minutes or 10 minutes as it takes usually. And with this, our task stands complete. So all you have to do is simply make sure that there is no space whatsoever in the naming convention of the fastboot ROM inside both the folders. By both the folders, I mean the main ROM folder as well, and inside that the secondary ROM folder as well. Inside both this naming the name of both the folders, there should be no space whatsoever, and the issue will be fixed, and you will not face any issue whatsoever, and then you could flash the ROM without any issues. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you still have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.